This is the cell, and this is the cell's life. The cell lives, faces challenges, reproduces, then dies. But what if the cell dared to continue, refusing to die? That is cancer. The usual way for curing cancer or removing it is by chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery. However, ever heard of talking to the cell?
Can you stop? No.
Okay, that didn't work. But it's okay because there are new treatments for cancer using genetic engineering and biotechnology. CAR T-cell therapy. Sorry, CARs are not included. In CAR T-cell therapy, the patient's T-cells are extracted to be reprogrammed by cell hackers, or synthetic biologists. Using genetic engineering, they change the cell's receptors in order to bind with the cancer cells, and pop goes the cancer cell.
So what is the CAR before the T-cell?
C is for chimera. In science, a chimera is a combination of two different types of cells or tissues. A is for antigen, which is like an ID for cells and viruses. R is for receptor, which is like a scanner that the white blood cells use in order to check that everything is alright. Since the newly modified T-cell is part T-cell, part antibody, it's a chimera. It searches for the antigen of the cancer cell and scans them using its receptor. But CAR T-cell therapy only works on blood cancers such as leukemia and lymphoma. However, another treatment can be used to attack solid cancer, oncolytic virotherapy. Virotherapy is a method of using viruses to treat diseases. Oncolytic viruses, like any other, need a host to multiply and survive. They will be injected into the tumor and do their thing.
Divide and conquer!
Let's get into more detail about virotherapy. The viruses attack the cancer cells and turn them into virus-making factories before forcing them to self-destruct. Meanwhile the cycle is happening, neighboring cells release a shield, the interferon, to protect them from the virus. The white blood cells then not only kill the virus, but also the remaining cancer cells. Of course, the viruses have already done most of the work. But why care much about cancer cures? Well, cancer is responsible for 1/6 of the world's deaths, which is equivalent to almost 17%. That's a lot! Oncolytic virotherapy and CAR T-cell therapy have high success rates, as well as high prices. Doctors, researchers, synthetic biologists, and scientists are constantly trying to find new ways to cure cancer. One day, with the help of genetic engineering and biotechnology, we will be able to cure cancer forever. Have a good day.